everyone. I'm going to tackle the Lazy Susan commission pour once again. I resanded everything and I primed it using paint primer in one versus gesso. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it has been quite a few days now. That everything is dry and should go smoothly. That is the goal. And I've decided that I am going to do a swipe on it. I said earlier that I wasn't going to, but after thinking about it, and her table, I believe, had polka dot, like not polka dots, had like circles on it. And I think that a swipe would really go well with that. So I think I will put the color here and then swipe out. Yeah, thumbs up. That's what I'm doing. So here is my white paint. I'm a little nervous about this, and I will definitely give this one quite a bit of time to cure before I resin it. So if you didn't watch the previous video with this, I had decided at the end, towards the end of the video, that I didn't like the way the painting looked and I was going to start over. And when I started to wipe the paint off of it, the gesso and some of the wood filler seemed to come off with it. And I'd used wood filler because there was a branded stamp in the middle of it from whatever brand this Lazy Susan was. She gave me this. She had this, so she wanted me to pour on it. So hopefully this works. Torch the air bubbles out. Alright, so the colors, I'll just show them to you as I'm trying to think. I think I'll kind of do little dots. So this is just a self-mixed metallic orange. And I've got Liquitex Basic Cadmium Red DQ. Oh. Then Artist Loft Metallic Blue. And Liquitex Basic Dioxazine Purple. And Grumbacher Deep Yellow. And then this is the white paint, there's something in there, with silicone. I'm going to add a little bit more white and a little bit more silicone. It's Spot On Treadmill Silicone. It is on my Amazon list. And for this swipe, to get the look that I want, I have to use silicone. Alrighty. And then my favorite swiping tool, cardboard. That'll do a lot, I'm sure. Magic happens. That is super cool. I am going to blow out these sharper edges. Because like the bathroom door has these, and I look at them all the time, and I'm like, I wish I'd kind of soften those, so I'm gonna lift my chair. So you can see it's not much that I just did. Okay, I mainly did that because I don't know if there's color down there, so. Okay. tilt it this way, what will happen? I could just swipe down. Just not exactly sure what will happen if I do that. I wish this was a little bit darker here. Which that I could do. I'm super scared that I'm going to mess this up. Like, actually scared I'm gonna mess. Normally I don't get, but I really like this, but I just want that little part different. Let's see if it is. Yep. There we go. Now it's darker, so that went well. And okay. Perfecto. Ah, it's a hair. I don't think she wants that in there. You can see the cells are growing and kind of squashing each other. I love it. Love it. Hopefully the cells won't continue to grow and explode all over each other. This is weird. Did not like that one. Very, very happy. Let's hope that it dries well and that all the paint stays there and nothing peels off. Thanks for watching. Bye.